रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे अक्टूबर 8 2023 के अखबार में, और ये जॉब है दी शेख मोहम्मद बिन जायद अल नहयान SMBZAN इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ कार्डियोलॉजी कोयटा इनवाइट्स applications for the following positions purely on contract basis. The details are mentioned below. Short listed date 30th October 2023. Last date 23rd October 2023. Serial number 1 designation Associate Professor Cardiology. BPS 19. Number of post 2. Qualification and experience. Number A as per PM&DC criteria. B 2 years post fellowship training / experience in interventional cardiology from a well reputed cardiology institute or teaching hospital shall be given preference. Number 2 designation assistant professor cardiology. BPS 18. Number of post 1. Qualification A as per PM&DC criteria. Number B FCPS cardiology or equivalent. Number 3 3 to 5 years relevant experience. Number 3 assistant professor pediatric cardiology BPS 18. Number of post 1 A as per PM&DC criteria. Number B specialization in pediatric cardiology. Number 4 assistant professor ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है कार्डियक इमेजिंग BPS 18. नंबर ऑफ पोस्ट 1A एज पर PM&DC क्राइटेरिया. B 2 years post fellowship training in cardiac imaging from a well reputed cardiology institute. नंबर 5 असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है कार्डियक सर्जरी BPS 18. नंबर ऑफ पोस्ट 01. क्वालिफिकेशन एज पर PM&DC क्राइटेरिया. नंबर B FCPS कार्डियक सर्जरी. नंबर 6 असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर पीडियाट्रिक कार्डियक सर्जरी BPS 18. 01 पोस्ट है. क्वालिफिकेशन एज पर PM&DC क्राइटेरिया. B 2 years post fellowship training on experience in peds cardiac surgery from a well reputed cardiology institute or teaching hospital shall be given preference. Number 7 assistant professor anesthesia BPS 18. Number of post 2 A as per PM&DC criteria FCPS anesthesia / FCPS cardio thoracic anesthesia. Number C 1 to 2 years post fellowship training experience in cardiac anesthesia from a well reputed cardiology institute or teaching hospital shall be given preference. Number 8 specialist ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ anesthesiologist BPS 18. 01 A as per PM&DC criteria. Number B MCPS or DA in anesthesiology. Number C 1 to 2 years post qualification experience in cardiac anesthesia shall be given preference. Number 9 senior registrar pediatric cardiology BPS 18. 1 A as per PM&DC criteria. Number B completed peds cardiology fellowship training as well reputed cardiology institute. Number 10 senior registrar ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है कार्डियक इलेक्ट्रोफिजियोलॉजी BPS 18. 01 पोस्ट. नंबर A MBBS और इक्विवेलेंट. नंबर B FCPS कार्डियोलॉजी और इक्विवेलेंट. C 2 years post fellowship और सर्टिफाइड ट्रेनिंग इन कार्डियक इलेक्ट्रोफिजियोलॉजी. 11 सीनियर रजिस्ट्रार ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है कार्डियक सर्जरी BPS 18. नंबर ऑफ पोस्ट 2 A MBBS और इक्विवेलेंट. B FCPS कार्डियक सर्जरी और इक्विवेलेंट. नंबर C 1 to 2 years post FCPS experience in cardiac surgery will be given preference. 12 senior registrar anesthesia BPS 18. 01 A as per PM&DC criteria. B FCPS anesthesia / FCPS cardiothoracic anesthesia. Number C 1 to 2 years post qualification experience in cardiac anesthesia shall be preferred. 13 junior registrar cardiology BPS 17. Number of post 1 Number 1 MBBS or equivalent. Number 2 FCPS 2 DIP card qualified / eligible in cardiology. Preference shall be given to FCPS and DIP card qualified. 14 junior registrar ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है कार्डियक सर्जरी BPS 17. नंबर ऑफ पोस्ट 2 A MBBS और इक्विवेलेंट B FCPS 2 ट्रेनिंग completed in cardiac surgery. Number C preference shall be given to FCPS qualified. 15 dental surgeon BPS 1701. Number A BDS or equivalent qualification from a recognized institute with 01 year house job completed. B registered with PMNDC. Number C 2 years clinical experience. Experienced and post graduate qualification will be preferred. Total 19 posts हैं. Note application form can be downloaded from www.smbzanicq.com.pk/career/. Number 2 the applicants are required to submit the application form along with attested hard copies of all the testimonials or advice. Gate number Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan Institute of Cardiology, Kutch Road, Nawakili, Quetta from 9 AM to 3 PM. Job applicants are encouraged to submit their application materials in either hard copy or electronically. ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है career@smbzanicq.com.pk, providing flexibility in the application process for candidates applying from other provinces. Online interviews through Google Meet or Zoom may be arranged on request. Incomplete and late received applications shall not be entertained. The list of shortlisted candidates will be uploaded on website www.smbzanicq.com.pk, www.smbzanicq.com.pk. Number 7 date of interview will be communicated after shortlisted of candidates on SMBZANICQ website. Number 8 the shortlisted candidates are required to bring one complete set of attested documents along with CNIC CV2 passport size photograph, experience letter and original documents. Candidates with incomplete documents shall not be entertained. The selected candidates will be offered contract appointment for a period of 2 years extendable on performance basis. His/her services shall initially be on probation for a period of 3 months after joining. As per SMBZANICQ regulations, the quota reserved for females, disabled persons and minorities will be observed accordingly. 11 the appointment will be made on merit basis. However, preference will be given to local/domicile of Balochistan province. Candidates already in government department shall submit NOC at the time of documents submission. Furthermore, candidates with NOC in progress are ineligible to apply. Selected candidates will be offered attractive packages commensurate with the market salaries. Number 14 the competent authority reserves the right to increase or decrease the number of positions as per requirement. Number 15 no TA/TA shall be admissible for the interview. Hospital Director Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan SMBZAN Institute of Cardiology, Quetta. जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो. अगर मेरी वीडियो आप लोगों को पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. अल्लाह हाफिज़.